Welcome to the world of Python. Most of us would be surprised to know the popularity of Python. According to TOY Index, which are calculated by counting hits of the most popular 25 search engines, Python has grown in popularity from around below 20, ranking in the year 98 or 2000 to rank 4 now. So in 2018, Python just ranks below Java, C, and C++. And the steady rise has shown the popularity of Python over the years. Then there is PyPL index, which measures the popularity of programming language, and it's an index created by analyzing how often the language tutorials are searched on Google. So if we look at that, 23.6% queries are for Python, which is by far the highest for any language across the world. This shows the popularity of Python language among the masses and its usage. Why is Python so popular? Number one, it's easy to learn. The language is known for its simplicity and elegant syntax. Thus, Python is much easier to read and write than other programming languages. Second, it's free and open source. Python is free to download and to be used commercially. One can even edit the source code and contribute to the community at large. Then, Python is highly versatile. Python is being used in diverse range of applications and fields of study, be it web, games, graphics, science, test automation, big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence, financial services. The list is just huge. Also, Python allows for faster development, which means the program development using Python is 5 to 10 times faster than using C or C++ and 3 to 5 times faster than using Java. Python is being used for so many things across the world. The CIA has employed Python for hacking, Pixar is using it for producing films, Google for crawling the web pages, and Spotify for recommending songs. Python is also the darling of all the startups in the world. It's being used in majority of areas. For web development, Yahoo Maps, Google, Uber, Ola, Netflix, Instagram, Dropbox are just some of the examples. For game development, we have Battlefield 2, Crystal Space for graphics, Industrial Light and Magic, Walt Disney Feature Animation. For financial services, JP Morgan, Altus Investment Management, Bank of America. In the field of science, we have National Weather Service, Alpha Gene Incorporation, and NASA using Python. Even in the government fields, we have USA Central Intelligence Agency making heavy use of Python. Business softwares are also distributed using Python, and Thote Consulting and IBM are making heavy use of it. For test automation, you look at almost any company in the world and they will be most probably using Python. For machine learning and data science, there's just one line I'll say rather than how many companies they are using. According to a study by IBM's Jean Francois Puget, Python is the most popular language for machine learning and data science. Such a powerful and widely used language is definitely worth learning, but we should know the art of learning Python. In Python, the focus should be on understanding the language and its capabilities. Unfortunately, what's happening right now is that just after learning the little Python basics, people tend to move over to application areas like web development, game development, machine learning, artificial intelligence, etc. No doubt these areas look impressive, but they are usually good for people who are expert in Python already and they want to learn some new area of application using Python. This approach of learning little Python and then moving to applications can never make one expert in Python programming. Only if you know Python in depth, picking up an application area will be a lot easier. And this in depth knowledge of Python will make you industry ready. This means only if you have real knowledge of internals of how Python work and all the features of Python as a language, then actually you are ready for industry. Actually, you can face a real interview in the real world. So, how do we evaluate whether a given course or training addresses the real concerns of the market. We should ask these questions. Does the course help you understand object orientation in Python in detail, including inheritance, delegation, the need for new style classes, and meta classes? Does the course help you understand the decorator design pattern in Python and how to implement the function decorators? Does the course help you understand how to profile and benchmark your code to identify bottlenecks? Because only when you know the problems, you can come up with the real solutions. Does the course help you understand that multi-threading is actually slower than even the simple execution due to the global interpreter log in Python? And multiprocessing should be used to really achieve concurrency. Does the course help you understand that through extending Python, you can execute your slow Python code at the speed of even compiled languages? Does it help you understand that through the same extending Python, you can actually import the functionality of any library or framework from any compiled language to Python within minutes? Does the course help you understand that functions are really the first class objects in Python? Does the course help you understand the advanced data types like list, tuples, dictionaries, and their associated operations in details, and also the scopes of variables in depth? Does the course help you understand the working of iterators and generators? Does the course help you understand how to do common tasks like network programming, REST API calls, XML parsing, regular expression searching, reading and writing CSV files, package imports in Python? These are some of the basic yardsticks, and if a course is not addressing these concerns, then believe me, we are not actually ready for market. You can ignore the application areas because the companies would like to test you and your understanding on the basics of Python. Only when you are sound in Python should you pick up any application area like web development, game development, artificial intelligence, or machine learning. This is like if the foundation of the building is not strong, you cannot build floors just like that.